Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Welcome back to my shop. And some of you immediately said, hey, what is that? Is it a Corolla? Well, it doesn't look really right. This is Toyota channel. It doesn't look like Corolla. Well, look what it is. It's a Honda. So I have two things to discuss right on this car, on this case. It's a friend of the friend, and what happened, she was driving on the highway. There was something laying on the ground and she hit it. And that's what I'm trying to say. The highway could be a dangerous place to drive because you drive fast, right? So even light object, which normally barely will damage anything, suddenly becomes bad projectile. This is what I have pulled from the front of the car, and it looks like it's the remaining of the surfboard, right? This is where you tie the leash. It even says right here surfboard or something. And look the damage. That piece went through the condenser, completely ripped it off. It went through the radiator, right? It was really bad projectile which destroyed the front of the car just because the high speed is included, right? Even this part, this is damaged. I will have to do the body work, pull this bar to the front because it's bent backwards. I will have to work on that even to be able to install the new parts. So that was one point of this video. The highway could be extremely dangerous due to the high speeds of driving. Not only as a projectile, it destroyed the condenser and radiator. Again, you can probably see it down there, right? But that was not enough. It obviously went further and it destroyed, right? This is probably the AC. If it's like the same on Subaru, this will be the AC cooling fan, electric cooling fan, and this is the one for the cooling the engine. That's completely cracked, ripped apart, and I'm not sure if I will be able to save it for this owner, or we have to order it. That will cost a lot of money, and I don't think anybody will have it in the stock either. So, you know, the damage is actually way bigger than you will think in beginning when I got the vehicle. And now to the fun part 2 of this video. Thank you for staying with me. I want to show you something. This is absolutely unbelievable, and it confirms why I don't want to work on Hondas, right? I work only on Toyotas because I'm factory certified, and I also took the Subaru. But look at this Honda. I want to show you something unbelievable. In order to gain access to the radiator, which is such a common part to replace, right? That should be the easiest thing. And normally, radiator is positioned right here, but not here, right? So they put it in the Civic in front, and they covered it with that entire bumper cover. No, this is not easy like on Toyota and Subaru, where the radiator is nicely here, right? And access to everything. They hid it. You have to spend bunch of extra time to remove all of that to even see and get access to the radiator. Well, that's what I want to show you. God bless Toyota engineers that they make it, and Subaru, right? They make it easy. You can work on them fast, and it's kind of fun. This is opposite. This is a nightmare. So thank you for watching, and make sure you are subscribed. I will film a lot of content for you very soon. See you later.